Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Saifullah. As you know, we are trying to compute the risk and return of portfolios and optimize the portfolio risk and return relationship. In the last video, we have computed return of individual securities and covariance matrix between securities. In this video, we will work on the calculation of risk and return of the portfolios. We are working on 5 assets portfolio. We have return of 5 companies, and the first thing that is required is the weight of each security. Weights can be proposed or actual investment in each security. For simplicity, we will allocate equal weights to each security. But it is important to remember that in each case, the sum of weights should be equal to 1. This is the same sheet that we have used in first video, and I will write here weights and 0.2 weight in each security. And here I will write sum and the sum of weights is equal to 1. Now I will compute return on the portfolio. Return is equal to MMULT, that is multiply function, then transpose, and after transpose I will select weight of all securities, bracket close, comma, and expected return of all securities, bracket close, and then I will press Ctrl Shift and Enter, and here is the return on the portfolio based on equal weights. After calculating return, we can compute variance of the portfolio and standard deviation of the portfolio as well. For variance of the portfolio, I will write here equal to MMULT, bracket start, transpose, bracket start, weights of the securities, bracket close, comma, MMULT, bracket start, and the covariance matrix, comma, and weights, bracket close, and Control Shift Enter. That's the variance of the portfolio. And to compute standard deviation, I will write equal to square root SQRT of the variance, and we will get standard deviation of the portfolios. The performance of the portfolio can be evaluated by using Sharpe ratio. Sharpe ratio shows the average return earned in excess of risk-free rate of return per unit of volatility. The greater the Sharpe ratio, the better its risk-return relationship. To compute Sharpe ratio, we need to have risk-free rate of return. For the past few years, the risk-free rate in the Pakistan is around 7%. This 7% is for annual basis, and to convert it only monthly basis, I will divide it 7% by 12 as we have return on the monthly basis. Sharpe ratio is equal to return of the securities minus risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation of the portfolio. To compute Sharpe ratio, I will write here equal to bracket start return of the portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation of the portfolio. The higher the Sharpe ratio is, more better. After computing the Sharpe ratio, we can optimize the portfolio risk and return. And to optimize portfolio risk and return, I will go on in data and I will click on solver. In solver feature, I will set objective, select Sharpe ratio, and then maximize. By changing cells, I will write here the weights of the portfolios, and here already a constraint, I will delete it to show it. Constraint cell reference, sum of the weights equal to 1, OK, and uncheck this, make unconstrained variables non-negative and solve. Okay. Now the Sharpe ratio shows that the return of the portfolio in excess to risk-free rate of return is 0.29. It means 29% approximately. I will copy here for future reference and then again use solver to see that what type of changes, what type of optimization we can apply here. I will click on solver and then right here in add and select all references, all weights and their value greater than or equal to 0 and OK and solve. Now this shows that the solver ratio is 0.1869. It means 18% approximately. When we allow that weights can go negative, then the Sharpe ratio is 29%. It means when we short some assets and buy some assets, then the Sharpe ratio can be 29%. And if we only buy assets, we have no option to short assets, then the answer will be 0.1869. In the next video, I will explain these ratios in more detail, but in this way, we can use solver function to optimize the risk and return of the portfolios. That's all for the 2 days. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.